Skyline Drive to White Oak Canyon Trail and check out 2 waterfalls. The Skyline Drive is a 105-mile road running north and south on the crest of the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's about 75 miles away from the Washington, D.C. area. So if you're in that area in Virginia, come visit. Lots of hiking to do. It's actually really great in the fall. Come in October, you can see all the changing of the leaves. Beautiful out there. I'll share some pictures with you. The way it looks in the fall. But anyway, so yeah, enjoy the trip, and I'll give some more tips along the way. One more tip: before you head to any national park, always check with the National Park Service. So on my way up here, I went ahead and checked the website and noticed that one of the entrances was closed. So it's a Rockfish Gap entrance. It's got some fallen rocks, so they've got that entrance closed. So just check before you come and make appropriate arrangements. There's, I believe, 4 different entrances into the park. Obviously the north and south entrance, and there's 2 in the center, and I'm taking another one, Swift Run or Swift. Anyway, I'll let you know on the updates where I'm headed to. So anyway, just go to the National Park Service, nps.gov, or just Google which park you're going to, and it will generally be the top link for the park. All right, we are almost there. Get ready to head into the entrance to the park. Coming into Swift Run Gap entrance. If you come to national parks often, I highly recommend getting a yearly pass. Otherwise, it's $30 for the entrance fees. Hi, good morning.
I see the back of it.
Oh, yep.
You signed it here, and I just need an ID.
Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm.
Do you need any maps today?
No, ma'am.
Alrighty. Perfect. Yep,
all right,
that's
great.
I've seen it. Yep.
All right.
Good.
Thank you very much.
Yay.
You too. Okay, it's 22 miles from this entrance to the trail. All right, we're at the beginning of the White Oak Trail. It's a 4.6 mile round trip for the upper White Oak Falls. About a 3.5 hour hiking time round trip. So let's get started. I think it said it was a moderate hike. So make sure you bring the right shoes and take your time. Just under 15 minutes into the hike, just wanted to comment on the trail. It's a very wide trail, very well taken care of. Lots of wildlife. Of course, we just ran into a family of deer. You can hear the birds chirping in the background. So I think it's going to be a really nice trip. We got some people behind us, so it's not crowded. It's very light, a lot amount of people, a lot of light traffic. So yeah, just take it easy and enjoy your time while you're here. All right, we got a split in the trail.
at the White Oak Canyon Trail, which is the one we're going on, and then they have Limberlost Trail that way. So we're going to continue on the White Oak Trail. I'll put some information about the other trails we come across here too. We cross the Limberlost Trail, cross over to the White Oak Trail. But interesting formation there. Check this out. Thinking the same thing. There's more falls down here. We'll continue on a little bit further and check out those falls, and then grab some lunch and head back up. Falls. You can't peek on over here. Yeah, we got some falls there. Fortunately, we're obstructed by all the little trees. Keep hiking down once you get a better view. Look for a little place over there we could probably walk on down to, maybe. It's over here, the trail over here too. Oh, view. Go to the viewpoint. Below the falls, at least below the upper falls, to the other falls. Obviously they get more water. Rainfall, this is all filled with water. Coming over here, little misty falls from the top there. Let's go ahead and get a little shower while we're here. If it's safe, of course. Yeah, it's safe. imagine this would be a nice waterfall to go under when it's heavier rain, or more recently rained. Slippery when wet, so be careful walking on these rocks. Stairway back up. I didn't check the elevation difference, but I'm sure it's at least 1,000 feet up. I'll check when we get back to the top, but some of it's gonna take longer to get way back up. Stay tuned. I'll see you when I get back to the parking lot. We're just about to the top here, and here are the vehicles. They're paving the parking lot here. And there we are. So we had over 1,153 of elevation change, a 5.26 mile trip. Total time 3 hours and 12 minutes of actual hiking, although we were down there longer because we had lunch, took pictures and so on. So overall, good timing. We did good timing. So it says 3.5 hours. We did it in 3 hours and 12 minutes.